Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to solve a question of TCS which was asked on 24 October 2020 in slot 1. So the question is, there is a jar full of candies for sale at a mail counter. Jar has capacity n, that is jar can contain maximum n candies when jar is full. At any point of time, jar can have m number of candies where m is less than n. Candies are served to the customer. Jar is never remaining empty, as when last k candidates are left, jar is filled with new candies in such a way that jar get full. So write a code to implement the above scenario. Display jar at counter with available number of candies. So input should be number of candies one customer orders at a point of time, and update the jar after every purchase and display jar at counter. And then output should be given number of candies sold and updated number of candies in jar. If the input is more than number of candies in jar, then return invalid input. For example, for the given value of n is equals to 10, where n is number of candies available, then k is going to be less than or equals to 5, where k is the minimum number of candies that must be inside jar ever. So here, as you can see, the constraint is n is going to be equal to 10 and k can be less than or equal to 5. And as you can see, in the first case, we have input value as 3, and then output is going to be number of candies sold is 3 and number of candies available is 7. And similarly, in the second case, you can see if the input value is 0, then the output will be invalid input and number of candies available as 10. So now let's see the solution in C language. So this is the solution of the code. So as you can see here, first of all, we have taken a variable n with the value 10. Then we are taking a variable k, and using scanf, we are taking the input in this variable k. Now after this, we have a condition if k less than or equals to 0, then we are going to display invalid input. And after that, we are going to display the number of candies which are available in the jar, which is going to be equal to n. If this condition is false, then we will move to the else block and we will print number of candies sold is equals to the value of k, which is given by the user. And similarly, we will display number of candies available in the jar, which is equal to n minus k. So this was a very easy problem. So I will be uploading more videos. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update.